Guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is extremely unique, beautiful and eye-catchy, and it is attractive to an extent that you will be forced to watch the video till end. And please don't go anywhere. But before going into the further details of this video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. While subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. So guys, now let's move back towards our video. Friends, my today's video is totally based on very beautiful, stylish, creative, 50 plus unique and hand embroidery ideas of peacock embroidery patterns. The patterns are extremely eye-catchy. They give a beautiful, enormous look of 3D embroidery and at the same time very beautiful color combination of multicolor threads to give the maker, the embroidery artist, a more unique and artistic touch of his creativity and hand art. So now the most important question, where you can make these patterns. These patterns are always trendy, they are always in demand. You can make them for designing of your dresses, for designing your sari blouse, back neckline of your sari blouse, for designing the side, central, corner motifs of your shirts, kurti, frock, or any type of beautiful creativity motif for your maxi dress, gown, frock, full length bodycon dress, or any type of very beautiful shirts, t-shirts, sweatshirts. And even you can embroider these patterns with thick wool on your poncho, cardigans, or hand knitted sweater type stuffs. And you can make more beautiful your shawls, strollers by making them onto their corners or borders as well. I hope that you like my today's creativity, designs, opinions and ideas. And if you really like my idea, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and please leave comments below my videos so that I could get to know what you feel about my content and what you want me to share with you on daily basis. The scope of these very beautiful and eye-catchy peacock embroidery designs is beyond the scope of your expectations and thinking. You can design your accessories, bags, handbags, purse, clasp bags, your handmade jeans, denim fabrics as well, your jackets, your coats. You can also design them onto your handmade accessory like any type of mobile cover, like any type of hoop art creativity. Even you can draw these patterns onto your cushion covers, pillow covers, bed sheets, table mats, and many more creativities for home decor as well. So stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Up till then, take care, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end.